Hey, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add animated background in Shopify. So the first thing that you need to do is to head over to shopify.com, sign in into your account or your store like this, and you're going to have the options of the admin dashboard. Once you are here, you're going to select here the online stores within the sales channels item. So we are going to click on it, then it will automatically choose the themes for us. So in here, we're going to choose the theme that we want to work on. In my case, I will go ahead and use it on the Dawn theme. So right there, I'm going to click on the three horizontal dots. And from here, we are going to edit some codes. But before that, I highly recommend for you to duplicate the theme. So in case you have committed an error in the theme or something has occurred, you're not going to here make some very high damage on your theme, and you're going to get a copy that is going to be 100% good. So we are going to click on duplicate. This is in my case. And now we are going to open up the code editor. I'm going to click on edit code. And here we are going to let this page alone. So we are going to pick up here an animated background, So you need to set up this animated background as a GIF or the format of a GIF. So you can type in on Google animated background GIF, for example. You can go ahead and find some GIFs on Pixabay or the free stock right there websites, or you can go ahead and create your own using Canva. So you are going to head over Canva, then you are going simply to custom size right there the let's say here the background. You're going to get the right dimensions of that, and then you are going to get that image. So in here, in my case, I'm going to get this, for example, from Pixabay, this item. I'm not going to download it, but I'm going to get the link on the platform. So we need a link of this image. So I'm going to select the image that has the GIF format. We're going to get that image link. So we are going to see here until we are going to copy or see copy image link. So we have copied it. Now I'm going to give you a code, and this code is going to be on the description. Either you are going to see a file or a link to download that code or see it online. So basically this is the code. We're going to have here the body. Here we have the parentheses or the brackets until we are going to see this one. I'm going to copy this code, and then we're going to see the filters. On the filters, we are going to click on here and type in base.css. And this is the asset that we want to add that code to. So as you can see, we have the base.css. We are going to click on it. And from here, we are going simply to head over the end of this code page by scrolling there until the end. So we are going to see here the last brackets on the line 3597. Here it is going to depend on your content of your store or the theme that you have chosen. It could be more and also it could be less. So I'm going to click on enter. We're going to get here some space. I'm going simply to paste the code that I have given to you. Boom, here we have it. And from there, as you can read, the second line of our code here under the body contain the URL. Here you're going to see the GIF URL. Now this is important. This is the text that we have added. From here, you are going only to select the GIF URL here and paste it like that. So I'm going to here get the image again. So I am going to copy the image link, get here, paste it instead of that. So it is going to be here HTTPS Pixabay slash the animation and the code of the image. So we are going to make sure that the image is going to contain a GIF. So now we are going to click on save. Here we have did the first step. Now we are going to exit the coding page, and we are going to visit the Dawn theme by clicking on customize. Here we're going to see our page or our, as you can see here, at the store. So we did not see yet the section or the background animated. It is going to be shown here in the background of these images. So we're going basically right there to create a, let's say here, a theme or a scheme that is going to be transparent. So we are going to click on here on the theme settings. As you can see here, we have the colors, we have the logos, the colors, and etc. We are going to choose the item from the colors, and we are going to create a scheme. For the background here, I'm going to choose or click on the background. We are going simply right there to delete all the letters right there. So it is going to be here transparent. So here we have given the transparency to our background. I'm going to let it as it is. I'm going to click on save first. Then we are going to select, for example, here a section. So we're going basically right there to select a section. So here we have the, let's say the featured collection. We're going to see here the scheme of this section or the color scheme. So we are going to set it here as transparent or the scheme 6 that we have created. And as you can see, we have the animated background that we have added. We can do that for nearly all the sections that we can add. And here I'm going also to do that for the footer. So I have chosen the footer. Here the color scheme, we're going to change it to the scheme 6. And as you can see, or as you can right there remark, that we have the animated background. If you have a problem with the text showing up in a color that it will not be appearing here, you're going to regulate that scheme by selecting it here, and then you are going to select the text. For example, we are going to type it in white. And here we have it. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.